Alright, we got a CN eastbound intermodal train coming down the line. With 3818 leading, with CN 3818 leading. And Kansas City Southern 5005 trailing second. Yeah. KCS unit, alright. Symbol on this train is CNQ122. The Q122 originates from the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. Heads east. To Halifax, Nova Scotia, where it terminates at the Rockingham Yard. I spotted this train on the Charlotte, Michigan rail cam. That's why I came here to catch it. It went through Charlotte, Michigan at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. And it's like 2:14 p.m. So it took almost 9 hours to get here. Today's date is Tuesday, October 17th, 2023. Denton the London Railfanning on YouTube. And there's the end of CNQ122. Off it goes to Montreal or Halifax, Nova Scotia. Now we got a power move coming in to one of the yard. Now we got a power move coming into a yard siding. And we got a GP38. And we got a GP9 RM. And we got a GP9 RM 4136. A dash 9 2644. And a ES44 DC 2277. This train is all. This train was originally L509, which came from. This train was originally CN L509, which came from Sarnia. Now they're all done their work for today, and they'll head out later to take CN A434. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. With 2840 leading. DPU, alright! So what do we got for a DPU? So we got X City Rail 2760 X City Rail unit, alright. Symbol on this train is a short CN M302. This train originates from the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and it's heading east to McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, where it terminates. And there it goes off to Toronto. and 2692 and 8926. Today I'm on the Highbury. Today I'm on the Highbury Ave overpass bridge. I haven't been to this location ever since. I haven't been to those. It's been 4 years since the last time I came here. Symbol on this westbound is CN M301. The M301 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, heads west to the Symington Yard, goes for the States and terminates at the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, where it terminates. I might start coming to this bridge more often in 2024, but we'll see. There's the end of CN M301. Off it goes to Winnipeg, Manitoba.